Welcome aboard. Today, 10 cruise money traps to avoid. Brochures promise paradise, hidden fees bite. We'll expose the tricks and how to beat them. This guide keeps your trip fun and affordable. Your 15-minute playbook to sail smart. Skip endless forums. Watch for on-screen takeaways. Each trap comes with a quick fix. Listen closely. Let's set sail.
First up, the silent budget killer. Hidden onboard charges. These fees hide in the fine print and hit you on the final bill. Port fees, facility fees, environmental charges. It's a bait and switch. Advertised price does not equal final price. On board, tiny charges pry at your vacation fund. Cruise lines count on you being a captive audience. So how do you fight back? Start with vigilance, get your final invoice and scrutinize every line. Call the cruise line if something's unclear. Before you buy on board, ask guest services. Is there a charge? How much? Keep every receipt, every single one. Request an itemized printed bill a day or two before disembarkation. Cross-reference with your receipts and circle mismatches. Approach guest services with evidence. Often they'll remove mistaken or illegitimate charges. Do those 4 things and you take control of your money. The all-you-can-drink package. It sounds like the ultimate vacation luxury, doesn't it? The first catch is the limitations and exclusions. Premium spirits, freshly squeezed juices, specialty coffees. If one adult buys it, all adults in the cabin often must buy it too. If it's $80 a day and cocktails are $10, you'd need 8 drinks just to break even. For most people, that's a chore, not a vacation. Pull up menus online and be brutally honest about your habits. Coordinate. One gets a non-alcoholic package. For sodas, juices. Another pays for alcohol a la carte. Hunt happy hours, drink of the day, and avoid full-price pool bar rush. Use mini fridge and allowed carry-ons, sodas, water, sometimes 1 wine per adult. Combine these strategies, run the numbers, pay as you go if cheaper, leverage specials and allowances, and stay hydrated without draining your budget. You're on board. You see amazing restaurants advertised everywhere. Steakhouse, trattoria, sushi bar. It feels like a premium upgrade. First punch, the cover charge, just to get in the door with more add-ons inside. The best items have add-on prices. Lobster Poison $20, Wagyu High Twice $30. Once you've paid the cover, you feel invested. Might as well go all out. Start with what's included. Main dining room, buffet, casual spots, often fantastic quality. If you must splurge, look for first night, last night, port day promos, 2-for-1s, and prix fix. Split 1 premium entree and 1 standard. Share apps, desserts. Don't be pressured. Enjoy only what's covered if value's not there, or walk to the buffet. Be a savvy diner. Included first, share smart, and never overpay for hype. The cruise lines offer snorkeling, zip lines, ruins, convenient, guaranteed, at a crazy premium. They block book cheap, sell high to a captive audience. Peer vendors range from legit to scams, bait and switch, and no shows happen. Rule 1, research before you leave. Check TripAdvisor, Viator, and Google to find top-reviewed local operators. Ship won't wait for private tours, build massive buffers, and confirm pickup, location, inclusions, return time in writing. If winging it, use official taxi stands, tourist desks, check licenses, pay small deposit, balance on safe return, get travel insurance covering missed departures and prepaid excursions, cheap peace of mind. Book independently with top-rated providers, pad your schedule, and ensure the day. You'll save a fortune without the stress. They advertise hotel-like Wi-Fi, then hit you with insane pricing. $0.75 a minute or slow packages unless you upgrade to premium. 1 device at a time forces extra packages for families. Biggest danger? Ship cellular roaming. 1 autoplay video can cost more than your cruise. Prepare for skunk for Disconnection, download maps, playlists, shows, podcasts, audiobooks before boarding. Buy only what you need. Short time packs, last day discounts, vouchers. Use them, log off. Best internet is in port. Cafes, restaurants, bars. Buy a coffee, upload, fast and free. Departure horn, airplane mode on. If you buy ship Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi manually. Docked, airplane mode off. 2-second habit, 1,000 saved. Towels on every chair. 5 bits private cabana. Signs, create a problem, sell the solution for hundreds a day. Get up early, explore hidden decks, and use port days when the ship is empty. VIP feeling for free. Receipts with tip lines appear everywhere, even when gratuities are already included. Check documents and the website. If covered, write 040R on the extra tip line. For above and beyond service, tip in cash at the end, direct to crew. Ask guest services about policies, decline upsells, stay in control. Daily service charge, $15 to $25 per person per day, hundreds per family over a week. Plus auto gratuity on drinks, coffee, spa. You're tipping on top of the tip. Check your folio every day on TV or app. Flag issues immediately. Go to guest services and request to adjust, remove automatic gratuities. Stay firm and polite. I prefer to tip in cash for excellent service. Bring cash envelopes and tip your steward, waiter, and standout staff directly. Review daily, dispute unfair charges, tip meaningfully. Jewelry, watches, designer bags, liquor. Tax-free signs lure you in, but prices are often inflated. Many ship sale prices beat nothing, 20-50% higher than online. Research normal prices before sailing, screenshot them, skip champagne-fueled auctions, and bundle pressure. In port, cruise recommended shops, pay commissions, and price high. Walk a few blocks to local stores and ask residents where they shop. Treat onboard credit like cash for necessities, gratuities, or only valuable packages, not overpriced souvenirs priced. Photographers at gangway, dining room, pool, excursions, it's a sales funnel. Galleries push confusing bundles to make single prints look overpriced. Politely decline and use your smartphone. It's powerful enough. Ask for a la carte prices or a single digital file. Review proofs, negotiate on the last night. Pro tip, snap your favorite gallery display for a low-res keepsake and keep your budget for real memories. Strict cancellation terms escalate. 90 days, lose deposit. 30 days, 57.5%, last week's up to 100%, regardless of emergencies. Cruise plan protection plans often give credits, not cash, with restrictions. Read cancellation policy before booking. Decide before final payment. Get terms confirmed via email. Buy comprehensive third-party insurance. Look for CFR, Dodge to 75% back. Strong medical, high limits. Mind buy windows. Compare providers, read reviews, and secure coverage right after deposit. Protect your money before an unexpected event derails your vacation. And there you have it. We just spent the last 15 minutes exposing the 10 biggest traps cruise lines set for your wallet. As we wrap up, remember the title. Stop wasting money on cruises. The goal is to cruise smarter. Enjoy the vacation without a shocking bill file. Plan ahead. Check bills. Verify policies. Question upsells. If this helped, hit like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment with your cruise horror story or best fee avoiding tip. Your experience helps others, captions are enabled, and chapter title tags let you jump back anytime. Now go book that cruise with confidence. You've got this. See you in the next video.